Hi and welcome back to Neural Splendor. Tonight's a very short video. We're going to take a quick look at how to install exhaust manifold seals. On the this is for the ISX engine. On all the engines that have a VGT turbo, the exhaust manifold integrity has to be up to par. You can't have exhaust leaks at the gaskets, at the steel bellows, or at any of the gasket mounting surfaces for the turbo, or at the joints where the manifold sections go together. Most of the ISXs have a 2, if not 3-piece manifold. So let's look at the correct way to install new exhaust manifold seals. This is good regardless of whether the manifold's new, like the video that we're looking at, or a used manifold that you're replacing them on. Install the new seal sharp edge down into the seal installation tool. Place it on the end of the manifold section and hit it with the dead blow until it seats. That's fully installed. Now you install the end pieces into the center section, measuring the hole spacing between 6 and 5 and 1 and 2, and you want to set that to the spacing you had on your original manifold that you removed.